Social media measurement is the process of reviewing and measuring the efforts of your social media activity on your business. It's a great way to understand if the efforts you've been putting into Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok have been paying off. Social media measurement involves tracking and analysing data from your social media activities to see how well your efforts are paying off. Luckily, all of the social media platforms provide insights and analytics into your activity. This is an example of Meta Business Insights, where you can see key information about your Facebook page and your Instagram profile. The platform also provides useful information about your audience and detailed analysis of how each of your posts has performed. You can adjust the date range and review overall graphs showing peaks and troughs in activity. Here we can see how much reach Instagram and Facebook have each had. That's how many people have been shown your posts. We can also see page visits. That's people clicking on your profile from the feed. You can drill down into your audience, and this will look at age and gender, towns, cities, and also you'll be able to see information across Instagram too. In the content section, that's where you can deep dive into how well each post has performed. This will show you reach and engagement such as reactions and likes, comments, shares, and link clicks. You can also get key information under every single post in social media. This information is only visible to page admins. It isn't public data, but this is a quick way to see how your posts have performed. Measuring your social media performance is essential to understand what's working so you can identify which types of content, platforms, and strategies are effective. For customer preferences, so to understand what your audience enjoys, engages with, and responds to. And your return on investment, to justify your social media spend by showing how it contributes to your overall pub goals.